Hello, my name is Donna Bachowski and I am one of the educators with Bywater Solutions. Today we're going to cover another exciting feature in Koha 1905 with the Mana knowledge base that has been integrated, and that is the ability to add reports from other libraries. This is another exciting feature of the use Mana, and so once you already have the Mana set up, and I've been using it for your serial subscriptions, you can also use it for reports. Now, you don't have to use it for both serials and reports. You can use it just for reports if that's what you would prefer. But we're going to go ahead and cover how to set that up today. So to access all of the exciting reports that are listed in the Mana database, we're just going to go ahead and go into our reports module. And then when I click on creating a new report from SQL, I have a new drop down here that's new SQL for Mana. And what this will do is this will let me go ahead and take a look to see if that in that Mana database, if there's already a report that I'm looking for. One of the exciting things is that all of the reports that are in the report library have been added into Mana. So I can do one stop where I can go ahead and search not only the reports library, but also any other reports that partners from around the world Koha users have added. So I'm going to go ahead and click on New SQL for Mana. I get a new pop-up box and it says, what are you looking for? I'm going to look for anything that has mismatch in those search things. It appears that what it is searching for right now is the report name, the notes, and the actual SQL itself. So if there's a particular field that you're looking for, go ahead and give it a shot and see what you can find. So we have 3 results in here. You'll see that there is the report name, there is notes, there is the type of report, number of users, and those things. This is one of the really neat features too. You can see that when I hovered over the notes, I didn't have to click or anything, a pop-up mouse over appears and shows me that actual report code. So that'll give me a quick look at what that report does, that I can make sure that that's actually what I'm looking for. You'll also notice on this first one that the notes have been truncated. I can go ahead and click on show more, and it will go ahead and show me that entire notes field if I need to see all of that. Now for any of these, if this is one of the reports that I'm looking for, all I need to do is come over here to the right hand side and click on report, click on import. So once you click on that import button, that report is automatically added into your reports library and saved, ready to go. All you need to do at this point is go ahead and click on run report. I do encourage you to take a look at that SQL to make sure it is correct. For instance, in here we can see that the group by statement has been merged with the item call number, and so that's obviously going to throw us an error. So I'm going to go ahead and click on edit, just like I normally would do with any other SQL report that I'm editing. Make sure that that is formatted the way that it's supposed to be, update my SQL, and I'm ready to go ahead and run a report. So again, very easy to go ahead and add these reports in. You're going to click on new report, new SQL for Mana, search for what you're looking for, choose the report that you want, import it, and you're ready to go. You also do have the ability to share reports in Koha. So if you've created a report that you're really excited about, all you need to do is under your saved reports, in the column of the specific report you want to share, where you would go ahead and typically run that report, there's a new action. And I can go ahead and use that share functionality to go ahead and share this report with Mana. So I can go ahead and double check all of that information, make sure it's correct before I submit it, and then just click on share, and it will go ahead and upload it to the Mana knowledge base. So a lot easier than adding those really exciting reports that you've created to the reports library. So hopefully this will encourage you to go ahead and share all those exciting reports that you've created. Thank you for joining us today for this brief overview of the exciting Koha 1905 feature of using the Mana knowledge base for reports. Hopefully this is going to open up a whole new world of reports for you, and hopefully it will encourage you to go ahead and add those exciting reports that you've created to the Koha community at large. Be sure to take a look for the tutorials on setting up Mana and also on serials. This tutorial has been a production of Bywater Solutions.